Vanakkam. I'm Revati and I'm delighted to welcome you all to the 19th Cavencare Ability Awards for Achievers with Disabilities. The awards are jointly presented by Cavencare Private Limited, an FMCG major, and Ability Foundation, a national disability organization. The Cavencare Ability Awards was conceived in 2003 with the idea of showcasing persons with disabilities who have dared to dream and who have not allowed society to tell them what they can and cannot do. Cavencare Private Limited is an FMCG conglomerate that caters to the business of personal and professional care as well as snacks, beverages and dairy segments. I would now like to invite Mr. C.K. Ranganathan, Chairman and Managing Director, Cavencare Private Limited and Trustee, Ability Foundation, to say a few words of welcome.
I'm happy and delighted to present the 19th edition of Cavencare Ability Awards. It's an event that is very close to my heart as it brings immense joy and purpose to each one of us at Cavencare and Ability Foundation. Every year, we have had the opportunity to meet and interact with extraordinary achievers with disabilities and witness the grandeur of their achievement. While we have embraced the new normal of presenting this year's edition on a virtual platform, we are also happy that we have enhanced further by showcasing these achievers on a national level and to a wider audience. We began this humble journey of identifying and recognizing these achievers in 2003. Our celebration of these exemplary achievers have been a wonderful experience. It goes to show a long way that nothing can stop a person from achieving what he or she wants, and it is all in the mind. We are happy so far. Many recipients have been honored with Cavencare Ability Awards. I would like to thank Mr. A.R. Rahman for readily accepting to be the chief guest and continuously supporting us. I take this opportunity to thank our process validators, EY, our esteemed panel of jury members, and our media partners for their valuable support. I'm too eager to witness today's event and the recipients.
Thank you, Mr. Ranganathan. Ability Foundation has for the last 25 years been working towards the inclusion of persons with disabilities in all walks of life, ensuring the rights of persons with disabilities, providing a level playing field, and bringing about attitudinal change in the society. I would like to invite Jayashree Ravindran, Founder and Honorary Executive Director, Ability Foundation, to say a few words.
Hello, I'm Jayashree Ravindran, Founder and Honorary Executive Director of Ability Foundation, a national organization that promotes inclusion and equal opportunities for all persons with disabilities. Today, we are thrilled to showcase 4 marvelous individuals from across the nation as the recipients of our 19th Cavencare Ability Awards for Achievers with Disabilities. People whose achievements and talents will startle your perceptions and revamp your thinking. I have always maintained that there are far more role models amidst persons with disabilities than anywhere else. What is required is the right opportunities at the right time and an open mind and level playing field, all of which can throw open immense possibilities of life itself, enhance potential, and bring innate talents to the fore. We would love to hear from you and look forward to coming together with you towards our vision of an equal and equitable society for every man, woman, and child with disability. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jayashree. The jury of the Cavencare Ability Awards 2021 consisted of eminent persons from various fields who are in a position to influence social change and attitudes towards persons with disabilities. Let's hear from them.
The jury meet for the 19th Cavencare Ability Awards was held on the 12th of December 2020. The esteemed jury made sure that the deliberations were swift, lively and insightful.
I work along with our team to from the process validation side, and we are honored and privileged to be associated with this award for many years now.
It's really inspiring to be here, part of a jury, just getting a small peek into the lives of such bright minds who've been trying to change the way the society thinks about them.
Such a humbling experience for me to really, experience it as a parent as such, what they go through and how they've been a kind of a pillar of support. I think it's just phenomenal. A day I think I will never forget in my life.
All these people, they have a very strong dream and they have a very strong goal. And all of them have decided that they are going to achieve that come what may.
Yeah, for me, I think it's been a very, very rewarding experience. It's a source of great inspiration, and it also sort of urges me to do something more.
It's been the toughest job ever. If everyone is good, picking one out of that everybody is the most toughest job. It's been an eye-opener for me. I have nothing else to say beyond this.
The Cavencare Ability Awards are given in two categories: the Cavencare Ability Award for Eminence and the Cavencare Ability Mastery Award. The Cavencare Ability Award for Eminence is given to one person with disability who has demonstrated a commitment to others that goes beyond personal triumph. A person who has initiated an organization and has succeeded in the face of adversities. The award comprises a trophy, a citation, and prize money of 2 lakh rupees. Let's see who is this year's awardee.
C. Govindakrishnan, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. C. Govindakrishnan has always been a fighter. His blindness did not stop him from completing his education or seeking employment. His desire to create a comprehensive and empowering environment for other blind people led to the establishment of Netrodaya in October 2002.
This institution not only gives education and other facilities to the students, this also inculcates the person as to how he should live independently.
There's not much of planning. It's more of passion, the burning desire, the fire in my belly, and the conviction. Because my impairment is my inspiration.
எங்களுக்கு தேவையான உணவு, இருக்க இடம், தேவையான படிப்பு சம்பந்தமான அந்த கட்டணங்கள் எல்லாமே அவர் எடுத்துன்னு வந்து எங்களுக்காக செஞ்சார். இப்போ சென்னை கமிஷனர் ஆஃப் போலீஸில் சென்னை சிட்டி அங்கே வந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன், அசிஸ்டண்ட்டாக இருக்கேன். நான் இந்த அளவுக்கு நான் பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னா அடித்தளம் எனக்கு அமைச்சு கொடுத்தது இந்த நேத்ரோதயா தான்.
Netrodaya's supporters and volunteers have been attracted as much by Govindakrishnan's approach and personality as by the work he does.
I really appreciate what Mr. Gopi is doing, and that is one of the reasons why it made me contribute to Netrodaya on a regular basis and daily basis for years together.
Once we start doing good work, support is going to be spontaneous and people start recognizing you. Today, this organization is functioning only with the people's support. I'm very proud to say that.
C. Govindakrishnan, recipient of the Cavencare Ability Award for Eminence 2021.
Many congratulations, Govindakrishnan. Would you like to say a few words?
Hello, everyone. This is Govindakrishnan from Netrodaya. I'm really happy to receive Cavencare Ability Award. It's a huge honor and recognition, not only for me, it is for my community. And Ability Award is very special to me, and it gives a lot of recognition and a lot of satisfaction to me and to my community. This Ability Award gives a strong message to the world that the disabled are not on the receiving end, we are the giving end. And I'm really thrilled, and I always say to the world that I convert my problem into opportunity. I would like to do more and more service to my visually impaired community, and I want to see my community empowered, and they're going to make a huge difference in their lives. Thank you.
Thank you, Govindakrishnan. The Cavencare Ability Mastery Awards are given to 3 persons with disabilities who have believed in themselves, set a high benchmark, and gone on to realize their dreams. The award comprises a trophy, citation, and prize money of 1 lakh rupees each. Let's see who are the recipients of this year's Cavencare Ability Mastery Awards.
G.J. Siddharth, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Siddharth works for a reputed financial institution as Associate Vice President. His undergraduate degree in Commerce and postgraduate degree in Economics were both from mainstream colleges. It was not an easy journey though. It took his parents time to accept the fact that their son had cerebral palsy.
Whatever may be the case, we have to face that problem. We have to take challenge that we should make my child is a normal one.
He has a dystonic type of cerebral palsy, which is a very rare form of cerebral palsy.
Siddharth was determined to pursue a career in the financial sector, despite the many obstacles he faced.
When I got my first job, that is where my life started changing. I got to meet a larger number of people within the same profession. Many people came to know about me, the kind of work that I do.
Siddharth's story has always inspired people, including former President APJ Abdul Kalam, who often mentioned him in his public speeches.
ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ನನಗೆ ರಿಯಲೈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು.
Creating awareness about cerebral palsy and changing perceptions about disability is Siddharth's mission.
Today, nobody remembers me as a person with CP. Everybody remembers me as Siddharth. And that makes a wonderful difference to me.
G.J. Siddharth, recipient of the Cavencare Ability Mastery Award 2021.
Many congratulations, Siddharth. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you, Cavencare and Ability Foundation, for giving me this wonderful honor of Cavencare Ability Mastery Award. It's wonderful to receive, and I'm deeply humbled and honored. I would like to acknowledge the fact that I have been very lucky to be supported by a lot of people who believe in me and who have given me unconditional love and affection. My parents, my wife, my son, my sister, and then my friends, whoever I know, my colleagues with whom I have worked very closely over the years, and then my relatives who have been a great support, and lastly my teachers who have been wonderful support. Because of all these people, I have been able to come up so well. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Siddharth. Let's move on to the next recipient of the Cavencare Ability Mastery Awards.
Nandita Venkatesan, Mumbai, Maharashtra. At the age of 18, Nandita Venkatesan was a bubbly teenager and a debater with a passion for journalism. What began as a diagnosis of intestinal TB in 2007 recurred in 2013 with devastating consequences.
I had slept for 10 minutes and I woke up to complete silence.
She used to listen to music. She was a great dancer. She used to see a lot of movies. Everything came to a standstill once she lost her hearing.
Yes, I've lost my hearing. Less I can't hear. But I felt that should not stop me from moving ahead. That should not become my defining factor in my life.
At the National Business Daily, where she first worked, her employers were struck by the spirit she showed in the face of her debilitating illness.
We didn't actually notice that she'd made a note that she had a hearing impairment. We only realized that when she actually came to the meeting and messaged us saying that, she wouldn't be able to talk on the phone. And we conducted the interview via written notes actually across the table.
Once on board, Nandita performed and was evaluated like any other member of the team. She is a TB advocate and a motivational speaker who has travelled all over the world to raise awareness on disability. Today, Nandita is pursuing a fully funded master's degree in public policy at the University of Oxford.
She's a very brave girl and very proud of her. She is giving me confidence to face life.
This has always been a very big motto in my life, that when life pushes you over, you got to push back harder.
Nandita Venkatesan, recipient of the Kavin Care Ability Mastery Award 2021.
Many congratulations, Nandita. Would you also like to say a few words?
I would like to extend my thank you to the esteemed jury, Ability Foundation and Kevin Care for nominating me for the Kevin Care Ability Awards. 7 years ago, I remember a 24-year-old me waking up from a 10-minute nap to pin drop silence. In a matter of minutes, I went from a conversationalist to someone who lived in social isolation. I had lost my hearing suddenly due to a medicine side effect. The utter feeling of helplessness and desolation remains a starkly enduring memory. It's been an uphill climb since then, as I learned to live in a society and world that is not friendly and encouraging of persons with disabilities. Today, as I speak to you from Oxford University, I'm glad to be standing on my feet and proving my naysayers wrong. To see to it that more people like me get the opportunity to contribute and thrive, it is important that each one of us do our bit to make this world a more friendly and accessible place.
Thank you, Nandita. Let's move on to the final recipient of the Kavin Care Ability Mastery Awards.
Vikram Vijay Lakshmi Agnihotri, Indore, Madhya Pradesh.
I met with an accident when I was 7 years old, when I came in contact with high tension wire, and I owe it to my family, especially my mother, who motivated me, who actually stood by me all the way and sort of gave me the courage to not only face but overcome the challenge.
With positivity and determination, Vikram completed his education and became financially independent. But the desire to be independently mobile was always there. After facing numerous challenges, Vikram obtained his license in 2015 and began helping others like himself.
Ever since as a child, all I wanted to do was race. So the license became a medium to actually fulfill my childhood passion.
Vikram began participating in car rallies, including Desert Storm, which is regarded as particularly challenging, covering 12,000 kilometers in the Rajasthan desert.
A person with both hands would, easily surpass things. But doing that for 8-9 hours a day with his feet, and that too, sometimes you have to speed, sometimes you have to drive it very slow. It's a little difficult.
Imagine a guy without his hands from his shoulder driving a car, that is okay, but becoming a car racer and getting 4 podium finishes out of the 6 car races in which he has participated is amazing.
Any parent would be very proud of what Vikram has achieved after the kind of issue that he had to face.
Vikram Vijay Lakshmi Agnihotri, recipient of the Kavin Care Ability Mastery Award 2021.
Many congratulations, Vikram. Would you like to say a few words?
Appreciation can make a day, even change a life. Thank you, Kevin Care and Ability Foundation, for recognizing my role in society and re-energizing me to carry on. I dedicate this award to my family, especially my mother, Mrs. Vijay Lakshmi Agnihotri, without whom none of this was even imaginable. I would also like to acknowledge each and everyone who had faith in me and motivated me to realize my full potential. I have faced several challenges on my way here, but each one of them has only strengthened my resolve. It's amazing what you can accomplish if you simply refuse to quit. I pledge to continue to serve the society with all my devotion. Last but not the least, I'd like to thank God for choosing me to show the power of the human spirit. Thank you, Kevin Care and Ability Foundation, once again.
Thank you, Vikram. Govinda Krishnan, Siddharth, Nandita, and Vikram, the recipients of the Kevin Care Ability Awards 2021. I would now like to introduce our chief guest for the evening, Mr. A.R. Rahman. He has been associated with Ability Foundation for several years. As far as the Kevin Care Ability Awards are concerned, he has been involved in different capacities over the years. As chief guest for the event, he has also performed with persons with disabilities, and he has been a member of the jury as well. Mr. Rahman, would you like to say a few words for us?
I've been associated with Ability Foundation for several years now, and I'm very happy to be here at the 19th Kevin Care Ability Awards for Achievers with Disabilities. By showcasing potential and changing people's thinking on disability. Having been on the awards jury in the past, I know how difficult it is to pick just 4 people from among so many who are worthy. I congratulate the amazing recipients of this year, Govinda Krishnan, Siddharth, Nandita, and Vikram. Good luck and God bless.
Thank you, A.R. Rahman, for your kind words. I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has been part of the 19th edition of the Kevin Care Ability Awards. Congratulations once again to all the recipients. And finally, I would like to thank all of you for being with us this evening. Vanakkam.